Today we have my '09 Wrangler JKU, and today we're going to replace the hood latches. Like every other Wrangler owner, driving down the highway, our hood's bang. Especially with all that flex. These old stock hood latches just have too much flex to them. And we're going to replace them with some steel ones. Stop that baiting. To get to our hood latches, we got the two bolts up here, which are 10 millimeters for the top part. And then down here, for the main part, we have a 13 millimeter, which is going to be a pain to get to. Let's start with the top. Now let's see, how much of a pain is this going to be to take off? I've never personally removed these before, so this is all new to me as it is to you. Huh. That was easy. And for the bottom part, we're going to have a smaller 1/4 inch with a bigger 13. Then in that. Squeeze it in. You can see when you're trying to take it off, that part right there turns.
Okay, so yeah, if you pull, it gives it enough tension to hold the bolt in place, so that way it doesn't spin in place when you're using the socket wrench.
And to install this onto the Jeep, to get this part on, you can sell. This is in the middle. So to get this off, you need a T40. Oh, there we go. So the new bolt for holding it in place is a T35 Torx head. And now we have to take the washer and the nut and try to catch it on the other side. All right. And now to install this on top. And by the way, if anyone's wondering, the new ones do come with gaskets, but since the old ones that came off, they didn't have gaskets, I decided not to put them on.
You forgot to put them on. We forgot to put them on. It's too much of a pain in the butt. We're not going to put them on. If it comes to a point where we need to, we'll do it, but just know that gaskets do exist for each and every one of these connections. We derped. Full disclosure. Might as well use the gaskets if you have them, but we didn't.
All right, take the smaller bolts. They come in the set. Like so. And then into the hood.
That's it without a gasket. Let's see one with a gasket.
Which way does it go? I don't know. It's with the gasket.
Well, we'll just keep the gasket on. God help you if you lose the 10mm socket. I will kill you.
We shall not know what happened to the first 10mm.
the void. Jeeps are an endless void of pits in which to lose tools.
Well, there's already one spot that's nicknamed the Void.
Aptly so.
And that is the spot between your windshield and your dash.
Oh my god, it doesn't fit. Well, the video ends here apparently because something is wrong. Oh, I know what you did. This is backwards. This is backwards.
I derped.
Now that it's put on the correct way, oh yeah. The only reason it's wobbling is because the other side, let's see how flexible the other side is in comparison. You can definitely pull that up. So then what about this side? Let's see the difference. Rock solid.
And with that, you can see now, no more flex.
Give it a good, real big tug just to show everyone.
No flex.
Beautiful.
All right, until next time.